Welcome to RDS Fundamentals. In this video, we'll explore Amazon Relational Database Service, a powerful managed database solution from Oz. RDS simplifies database operations by handling the complex infrastructure tasks, allowing developers to focus on building applications rather than managing servers. Amazon RDS is a fully managed relational database service that automates time-consuming infrastructure operations. Oz takes care of hardware provisioning, database patching, and backup management. This means you don't need to worry about the underlying servers, operating system updates, or creating backup schedules. Instead, you can dedicate your time to developing applications and working with your data. RDS supports 6 popular database engines. For open-source options, you can choose MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MariaDB. If you need commercial database engines, Oracle and SQL Server are available. Additionally, AWS offers Aurora, which is a cloud-native database engine built specifically for Oz. Aurora provides MySQL and PostgreSQL compatibility with enhanced performance and availability features. RDS provides 4 major benefits. First, automated management handles provisioning, patching, and backups without manual intervention. Second, easy scaling allows you to adjust compute power and storage capacity with minimal downtime. Third, high availability is achieved through multi-availability zone deployments that provide automatic failover protection. Fourth, built-in security includes encryption for data at rest and data in transit by default, ensuring your database is protected. Comparing RDS to self-managed databases on EC2 instances highlights significant differences. With RDS, you get automated backups and patching, built-in monitoring and metrics, push-button scaling, and multi-availability zone deployment with one click. In contrast, self-managed databases require manual backup configuration, custom monitoring setup, manual instance resizing, and complex replication configuration. RDS eliminates operational overhead and reduces the chance of human error. An RDS deployment consists of 4 main components. The database instance is an isolated environment running your chosen database engine. Storage is provided by elastic block store volumes, available in general purpose, provisioned IOPS, or magnetic options. The endpoint is a connection string that your applications use to access the database. Finally, the instance class defines the compute capacity, including CPU, memory, and network performance. RDS offers 2 types of backup mechanisms. Automated backups run daily and store transaction logs, enabling point-in-time recovery. You can retain these backups for 1 to 35 days. Manual snapshots are user-initiated backups that remain until you explicitly delete them. These snapshots can create new database instances and be copied across regions for disaster recovery or data migration purposes. RDS is ideal for several use cases. Web applications use RDS as a backend database for scalable web and mobile apps. E-commerce platforms rely on RDS for product catalogs, inventory management, and transaction processing. Business analytics systems use RDS for data warehousing and reporting. Gaming applications store player profiles, leaderboards, and game state in RDS. The managed nature of RDS makes it suitable for any application requiring a relational database without the overhead of database administration.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.